Bitcoin's MACD histogram just flipped bullish at 46.84, even as fear grips the market at 27,100. Good morning, investors, and welcome to Aurelian Wealth. The total crypto market is treading water today, with Bitcoin commanding a $1.27 trillion market cap and firm dominance over a cautious tape. BTC sits at $63,123, up 0.7% on the day, while Ethereum holds $1,066. Sentiment remains defensive. The Fear and Greed Index reads just 27 deep in fear territory. Yet beneath the surface, bullish MACD signals are quietly building on both majors. Bitcoin trades at $63,123, up 0.7% over 24 hours, but down 1.5% on the week. The RS-14 sits at a neutral 51, giving bulls and bears no clear edge yet, plenty of room before overbought conditions. However, the MACD is bullish, printing 71.47 above its signal line at 24.63, with a positive histogram of 46.84, a sign momentum is shifting upward. Key support holds at $62,275, while resistance looms at $65,745. Traders eyeing longs should consider a stop loss just below the $61,963 zone to manage downside risk. Not financial advice, door. Ethereum is changing hands at $1,866.60, up a modest 0.3% on the day and nearly flat over the week. The RSI-14 reads 52.0, neutral, but tilting slightly bullish. More importantly, the MACD has crossed above its signal line at plus 0.75 versus 9.58, with a positive histogram of 3.3, hinting at fresh upside momentum. ETH must defend support at $1,822 to keep the structure intact, with resistance capping the move at $1,981. A protective stop loss near $1,812 helps guard against a breakdown. Not financial advice, YOR. Among the top 5, BNB is the standout weekly performer, up 2.3% over 7 days even as it slips 1.0% on the day, trading at $583.23 with a $77.7 billion market cap. Ethereum edged up 0.3%, while Bitcoin gained 0.7%. The stablecoins Tether and USDC remain rock steady at $1, reflecting risk-off positioning as capital parks on the sidelines. With fear dominating sentiment, traders are favoring defensive allocations over aggressive altcoin bets. 3 names are lighting up the trending charts today. Catacoin is riding a wave of meme-driven community hype, though its speculative nature demands extreme caution. Ondo continues to attract attention as a leader in real-world asset tokenization, a narrative gaining serious institutional traction. Hyperliquid, the decentralized perpetuals platform, is trending on strong on-chain volume and its expanding DeFi ecosystem. All 3 carry elevated volatility risk. Turning to sentiment, the Crypto Fear and Greed Index sits at 27 out of 100, firmly in fear territory, signaling elevated selling pressure and cautious investor behavior. Historically, deep fear zones can present accumulation opportunities for patient investors. On the whale front, our trackers logged no major BTC transfers above $1 million in the last 24 hours, a quiet tape suggesting large holders are sitting tight rather than repositioning. Over the next 24 to 48 hours, watch Bitcoin's battle between support at 62,275 and resistance at 65,745. A clean break above opens room to run, while a loss of support invites more downside. Ethereum's critical range sits between $822 support and $1,981 resistance. With fear at 27 and macro eyes on the Fed and dollar strength, volatility could spike quickly. Manage position sizing carefully and honor your stops in this cautious environment. Not financial advice, DIOR. Here's today's Bitcoin setup. A long position with an entry at $63,123. Place your stop loss at $61,963.62 and target a take profit of $65,082.50, delivering a favorable risk-reward ratio of 1.7. The rationale is momentum-driven. The RSI at 51.0 leaves ample upside room before overbought, while the MACD histogram at plus 46.84 confirms bullish momentum building above the signal line. This is a disciplined swing trade toward the 7-day resistance zone. Not financial advice, DIOR. For Ethereum, we have a long setup with an entry at $1,066.60. Set your stop loss at $1,812.95 and aim for a take profit at $127.2031. Offering a risk-reward ratio of 1.1. The thesis rests on a neutral to bullish RSI of 52.0 combined with a fresh MACD crossover. Its histogram positive at plus 2.33, signaling early upside momentum toward the $1,937 resistance zone. Keep this trade tight and respect the stop given the modest reward ratio. Not financial advice, Dior. If this recap sharpened your edge, smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell for daily crypto recaps, technical analysis, and real-time whale alerts. See you tomorrow.